What's up guys, this is Rishi, you are watching me on YouTube. Guys, in today's video I am going to unbox one of my favorite piece, which is Boya M1 mic. So guys, I prefer every new creators, every new YouTubers must have this mic because it saves a lot of time. As a YouTube creators, you must have a lot of time to work on your projects. So guys, what actually I'm doing, I'm recording my audio with this Samsung Phone 7H, which is recording basically my voice and my video being recorded by my iPhone. So guys, this is really a cumbersome task, taking your videos and audios together and cleaning all the audio noises from this recorded audio. So guys, it takes me a lot of time to clean my audio. Basically, one of my subscriber commented on my video that, sir, you need to purchase a mic. So here is the mic I purchased. So guys, today I'm going to unbox this and show you all of the things what actually inside this box and how to set up this mic for your laptop, PC and phone. So stay tuned with this channels. If you are new, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss my next video which I upload. So guys, don't wasting your time. So let's go to unbox this masterpiece. So guys, here is the masterpiece Boya M1 mic. We are going to unbox this box and want to see that actually what we get out of this box. So let's open this piece as well and see that what we actually can get out of it. So guys, here is the Boya microphone and another box we got it. Let's see it later. So what else we get out of this box? Let's see. Nothing. So let's see what basically inside this box as well. So I believe there must be some kind of a manual. Yes, they are manual about all things about this microphone. And what else? Warranty card? No, it is also the manual part, basically telling how you can set your microphone with the button and all the settings. So guys, basically we are going to do all the things and all the settings with this microphone. It has a lengthy wire, guys. It is quite enough for us to walk around in the room with a freedom and record our audio and video with this lengthy wire. So guys, let's see what actually inside this plastic bag as well. So let's see what we get. Guys, there is another fin for other devices, a collar clip and a cell, a calculator cell or a wristwatch cell. So that means this mic won't work without a cell. So we are supposed to open this jar area. We are going to open it, and guys, try to open it with care because it can be damaged. So do it properly. So guys, when you open it and you see a area where you can put this calculator cell inside this area, so there you find another ribbon. So guys, this ribbon is given for your help. That means you are supposed to put this ribbon properly like this and then put this calculator cell inside this area, because your finger basically not going to inside this area whenever you want to eject this cell from this area. So guys, when you place this ribbon properly like this and you put this cell here like this, then you will have a help next time whenever you want to replace this calculator cell. So guys, after placing this cell, we are supposed to put this lid back here, and so guys, we have done with the cell, and here we see a button which is clearly saying that if you want to use this microphone with a DSLR camera, so you are supposed to put this button on DSLR camera or a camera, right? So I'm going to use this microphone with my laptop and a smartphone, so I'm supposed to put this button or setting up this button on smartphones. So guys, you do it properly because this give you a better quality of audio, because this mic is smart enough. Whatever setting you keep and whatever setting you do, it works it works like that. So guys, here is the collar clip, and we are going to attach this collar clip with this mic. So we can attach this collar clip in this area near to our area where we can record our voice on the microphone. So put it or attach it like this. Guys, your microphone is ready, Boya M1 mic. So now we are going to use this mic for our future videos and this video as well. So guys, here is the video from start to end. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. If you like the video or like my efforts, so kindly like this video. And if you are new on this channel and my channel, so guys, please subscribe on my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss my future videos. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you very much.